to shailaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath. Diwali ki Shubhkamnaएं. You'll be wondering what video I'm going to put today. Yes, I would like to tell a bit of significance of Diwali, why we celebrate. Today is Dhanteras. What is this Dhanteras? In some parts of the country might be knowing what it is. Some people might not be knowing what Dhanteras is. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days and the main Diwali is in between. Before 2 days are celebrated, Dhanteras and all that, and after that the last day we celebrate as Bhai Dooj, and these are the 5 days what I'm talking about. Now Dhanteras, when we say, it is nothing but you do all kinds of tidying up your house or your shop or business, whatever, whichever place you are or wherever you are, you try to clean up. It is one way. We also say that you clean up your mind, your heart, all that. That is, you become clean from within. So that is also another meaning for cleaning up. Now, it is like when I was talking about Dashara, I had told the 9 days we celebrate, and from the last day of the Dashara, from Dashami, after that 20 days later we will be celebrating Diwali. Yes, and it falls on Amavasya. Now, when we are talking about all this, so I told you about Dhanteras. We clean up the house, we get some new things also we get for the house, like silver or gold, all that. It depends on each part of the country. They celebrate in different ways of this, but they whitewash their house, all that they do it. So they make totally the house or their business place or what, all these things to look totally new. That means a new beginning. Some people, some parts of the country, they celebrate it as the new year also. So this way Diwali is being celebrated. And Bhai Dooj, we say, where brother sister bondage, like how we do Rakhi, it's another kind of thing during this Diwali also. Now the main festival Diwali. Now this year it comes on 14th of November, and today we are celebrating it as Dhanteras. On 14th, now generally Diwali is celebrated as Lakshmi Puja, Ganesh Puja and Lakshmi Puja we do. This puja is mainly related to the wealth at home or wealth from business and all that. So something. So you know very well Lakshmi, she is a goddess of wealth, so and prosperity. So when we talk about this, we do all these cleaning and all that. Why? To welcome Lakshmi, that she will be bringing us lot of prosperity. So when we talk about all this, yes, we have done with that. Evening 6 o'clock we celebrate this Lakshmi Puja by lighting up the lamps. We do all this taking it in consideration, like how we did during that Navratri, winning over the evil. We had taken it same way, from knowledge over ignorance. So these are all the things, reasons for celebrating. That is one occasion, one significance is Lord Ram. He comes back after 14 years of exile. He comes back with his family after killing Ravana. So that is one thing what we celebrate Diwali. Another significance is the killing of the demon Narkasur. So that is the Narkasur ka Vad, they say, Narka Chaturdasi also they say. So it is killing of the demon Narkasur. So that is another one. So both, it is killing of the evil only. So whether we are celebrating for Rama or whether we are celebrating the killing of Narkasur, there Ravan and here Narkasur, whatever it is, we win over the evil. So that way, most of the festivals have got some significance or the other and reason for celebrating. Now, this video, for what purpose I'm doing? Yes, we are celebrating Diwali. We are all in the Diwali mood, and you know very well, all over, not only India but also in other parts of the world, they celebrate this festival. So it is like a festival for many people all over the globe, right? Now, I wanted to give you some vocabulary related to this, some questions, conversation. So anything you can take it in that way, whether it could be conversation or it could be word development, all that. So related to Diwali, these words I'll be giving it. You can just see how I'm going to do it and you can learn new things. The first one is Diwali kya hai? Diwali kya hai? So what is Diwali? Diwali or Deepavali. Okay, we generally say Diwali, but then Deepavali, the Sanskrit word, it means Deep means light. Avali means row. So row or row of lights, the sequence of the lights. So that is Deepavali. Okay, Deep, I've written here Deepavali. Deepavali, so Deep plus Avali. Okay, that is the row of lights. Now this is the significance. So if you want to ask anyone, you can ask Diwali kya hai? Kyun manate hain? So I had told you kyun manate means why do we celebrate. I had told you the reasons for the two varieties, two kinds of significance. I had told you what for we celebrated. Now Diwali kaun manate hain? Who and all celebrate Diwali? So it is not only the Hindus who celebrate, but dekho, Hindu, Jain, Sikh. So the Sikhs or the Hindus or the Jains. So these all, not only Hindus, but they also celebrate Diwali. Now, Diwali ke din kya kya karte hain? So what all we do on Diwali? Some people might be knowing in each part of the country, different ways they do, right? So what all they do on Diwali? So kya kya karte hain? What all they do? See, I am giving here the answers. So if anybody asks you, what do you do on Diwali? Diwali kya hai? So you can give. Diyon se sajate hain. Diyon se sajate hain. Diya, I told, diya means lamp. Mitti ke diye we say. Mitti means earthen. Okay. So mud, which is made out of clay. So diyon se sajate hain. Sajana is to decorate. So diyon se, that is with the lamps we decorate. That is this sentence, diyon se sajana. Next one, patake phodte hain. So we burst crackers. Patake means crackers. Phodna means to burst. So patake phodte hain. Next one, ghar sajate. We decorate our house. We put lot of decoration items everywhere in our house and we decorate it, make it so colorful with the series lights or all that we do it. So ghar sajate hain. Then दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों को मिठाइयाँ और उपहार देते हैं. Now see this sentence. दोस्तों means, दोस्त means friend. दोस्तों friends. दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों and relatives. You would have learnt it in the previous video where I did relationships. रिश्तेदारों relatives को मिठाइयाँ, मिठाइयाँ sweets और उपहार, उपहार means gifts. देते हैं, बांटते हैं. See, देते हैं means give, बांटते means distribute. So, or they exchange also. आपस में बांटते हैं we say, that means among them they share it or distribute it. Now, घर में मिठाइयाँ बनाते हैं. Not only they distribute it, but at home they make sweets. So, a lot of sweets they make. घर में मिठाइयाँ बनाते हैं. They prepare or cook. They make lot of sweets. So this way I have given you the why and who and all celebrate and then what they do on that day. So I have given here. Now we will see some more words in the next part. Now I wanted to tell you how we would wish people, how to greet them for Diwali. Now one thing is, generally we all use it, Diwali ki Shubhkamnaएं. Now Varsh ki Shubhkamnaएं. See, generally we use whatever festival or anything we would like to wish means we say Shubhkamnaएं, best wishes. So the same way here, Diwali ki Shubhkamnaएं, generally we say, that is the regular one. Other than that you can also say Diwali aapki sari मनोकामनाएं पूरी करे. So let Diwali fulfill all your wishes. So मनोकामनाएं means whatever you have in your mind, all those let it fulfill. So दिवाली आपकी सारी means all, आपकी yours, मनोकामनाएं पूरी करे, let it fulfill or complete. Another way of telling, दिवाली आपके परिवार को हमेशा उज्जवल रखे. So let Diwali bring you to the light or keep you always happy. आपके परिवार को, your family, always let it keep it bright and happy. So like the lights which we light. During Amavasya we light, so that is coming from darkness to the brightness, we are going to the light. So that way the wishes also can be like, let it keep you always in brightness. So that is another way of greeting for Diwali. Now I wanted to tell some words, some vocabulary related to the festival. First thing is, what is the meaning of festival? Festival matlab त्योहार, पर्व भी बोलते हैं, but in Hindi we say त्योहार. Next one, रंगोली. तो कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो, कोई भी त्योहार हो, तो क्या करते हैं, घर सजाते हैं. I have already used all these words, so I am talking in Hindi. घर सजाते हैं, तो घर की साफ सफाई करते हैं. साफ सफाई means to clean up the house. तो घर की सफाई करते हैं. उसके बाद जमीन पर, मतलब पूरे घर में ये रंगोली लगाते हैं. That means they put रंगोली. तो रंगोली डालते हैं हर जगह पे, तो और भी अच्छा लगता है उसको देखने में. Some people paint it, some do it with flowers, some do it with rice flour. So many varieties it is there for rangoli. They do with different color powders. Rangoli is done in different ways in different states. If you see in Kerala, they do it with flowers. If you see some parts of India, they do it with rice flour. In some parts of India, they do it with mixing into water and they do. So बहुत सारे तरीके से रंगोली डालते हैं. The next one, देवी. तो या इस दिवाली के दिन किस देवी की पूजा करते हैं? Which goddess do they worship? देवी लक्ष्मी. तो लक्ष्मी goddess of wealth and prosperity, तो उनकी पूजा करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, देवता. देवता कौन? इसमें गणेश, लॉर्ड गणेशा, तो उनकी भी पूजा करते हैं. तो कोई भी शुभारंभ करते हैं, तो शुभारंभ मीन्स अ वेरी ऑस्पिशियस वे व्हेन वी स्टार्ट समथिंग. तो किससे शुरू करते हैं? विथ व्हाट डू वी स्टार्ट? किससे शुरू करते हैं? लॉर्ड गणेशा. भी उनकी पूजा करने के बाद ही हम बाकी पूजा करते हैं. सो ऑलवेज वी स्टार्ट अ प्रोग्राम विथ Ganesh Puja, right? Ganesh Vandana or Ganesh Puja. So that is Devta. Devta means Lord, God. This is Goddess, this is God. Next one, Murti. तो किसकी मूर्ति होती है? So Murti is statue or idol, that is Lakshmi or Ganesha. So any of these idols we keep and worship. So statue or idol is Murti. Next, Mala. तो भगवान को रख दिए. तो उसके बाद आफ्टर सजाने के बाद, ओके, आफ्टर डेकोरेटिंग हम क्या करते हैं? फाइनली अंत में हम क्या करते हैं? माला डालते हैं. फूलों की माला, आइदर इट बी फ्लावर गार्लैंड और मतलब लक्ष्मी हो तो पैसों की, विद द मनी नोट्स, रुपयों की या पैसों की माला डालते हैं. सो दैट वे वी डेकोरेट द गॉडेस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, सावधानी. पटाखे फोड़ते हैं तो सावधानी से फोड़ना चाहिए. सावधानी इज केयरफुली, cautiously. So when we burst crackers, we should be very careful. बच्चों को ये बहुत जरूरी है, सावधानी से पटाखे फोड़ना चाहिए. So very carefully you have to burst crackers. सावधानी is cautiously. The next one, रेशमी. तो क्या करते हैं? जब दिवाली होती है, नए कपड़े खरीदते हैं. See, I am talking in Hindi, follow it. नए कपड़े खरीदते हैं, we buy new clothes. And वो भी क्या है? रेशमी. रेशमी क्या है? सिल्क. तो रेशमी साड़ी पहनते हैं, खरीदते हैं, रेशमी साड़ी, सो सिल्क साड़ी वी बाय एंड वेयर, सो रेशमी, तो वो बहुत ही क्या है, खतरनाक है, खतरनाक, डेंजरस, वेरी रिस्की, है ना। नेक्स्ट वन, सूती, सूती मीन्स कॉटन, तो कॉटन, इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स, बट देन जब त्योहार या कुछ अकेशन आए तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम रेशमी कपड़े पहनते हैं, लेकिन बेहतर और बेटर, व्हाट इज बेटर, ऑलवेज टू वेयर सूती कपड़े। नेक्स्ट वन, प्रदूषण, प्रदूषण इज पोल्यूशन। नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वायु प्रदूषण, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, हम इतने सारे पटाखे फोड़ते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, प्रदूषण को हानि होता है, प्रदूषण की हानि, दैट इज environment, or the pollution fully it surrounds the area, what happens, full of smoke, so that becomes polluted, so that is pradushan. So pradushan is pollution. See, you've learned lot of words related to Diwali, so I think you would have understood many things and many words, sentences, how to wish, all that you have learned. I hope you would have enjoyed learning these words, and you would be celebrating your Diwali in a very safe and happy way. In such kind of COVID situation, please maintain distance and celebrate your Diwali with your family, and may put a mask and do it so that you will be safe. Happy Diwali to all. Diwali ki shubh kamnaएं. Until then, have a nice time. Namaste.